Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to be making vindaloo from scratch. For this recipe, you need 4 tablespoons of oil, 2 bay leaves, 1 inch of cassia bark or cinnamon stick, 2 cardamom pods, 10 peppercorns, 1/4 of a teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1½ onions very finely grated, 1 teaspoon of grated or pureed ginger, 1½ teaspoon of grated or pureed garlic, 1/2 of a teaspoon of salt, 1½ teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/2 of a teaspoon of Garam Masala powder, 1 teaspoon of Coriander Powder, 3/4 of a teaspoon of Cumin Powder, up to 4 teaspoons of Chilli Powder, 2½ tablespoons of tomato paste, 1/2 of a tomato sliced into wedges, 1 teaspoon of white vinegar, 1/2 of a cup of hard-boiled potatoes, 6 to 8 pieces of meat, about 250 millilitres of water. For the heat levels, use half a teaspoon of chili powder for mild, 1 for medium, 2 for hot, 3 for madras heat, or 4 for normal vindaloo heat. Heat the oil, then fry the bay leaves, cinnamon, cardamom, peppercorns and fennel seeds for a minute. Add the onions and fry until softened, stirring occasionally. If the onions start to dry out, add a bit of water as required to allow it to cook but not burn. Add the ginger, garlic and salt, turn down the gas and cook for a few minutes. Add the turmeric, garam masala, coriander, cumin, chilli according to the heat you require, and the tomato puree. If looking dry, add more oil or water and allow to fry for a minute. Add the water, meat, then tomato, potato, and vinegar if using. Continue to add more water if the sauce is too thick and simmer for 5 to 10 minutes until the oil rises. Please remember to like and subscribe and check out this and many other recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.